Westcott and I'm the owner and director of Micro Precision Parts Manufacturing. We are predominantly a watch service centre. We also manufacture small micro parts, and we do quite a big range of medical parts and medical tooling and equipment. My father trained me as a young boy. I started about 8, 9 pulling watches apart in his shop, and at the age of 15 I actually did an apprenticeship with him, and then he sent me to Switzerland. The micro machining came later because we got involved in having to make parts for old watches and clocks that you couldn't buy anymore, obsolete parts. Our business is quite specialised because of the machinery used. We use what we call the micro machining process. When we started to machine micro components with micro tooling, we found that there was not a parallel directly with some of the machining processes in the bigger machining centres. So we had to develop our own speeds and feeds, and it was a huge learning curve learning how to cut with tiny tools. We cut with tools right down to 1/1000th of an inch. And when you're cutting with a tool that small, everything has to be optimal. Speed, feed, and the material you're cutting. We've machined a lot of exotic materials, from Kolvar right through to all forms of ceramic. With the ceramic, our main customers at this point are is medical people. The initial ceramic part we did was for a brain aneurysm clamp. If I'd known how hard it was, I probably would have said no. The reason for ceramic was that most of the clamps today are made in titanium, and titanium gives off an artifact under an MRI image. So with a ceramic piece, it's like a bone, it's near invisible. So it's the first time in history that they've used ceramic parts to that level inside brains. And actually the aneurysm clip is still a prototype. We have also built another tip in ceramic. It's a biopsy tip, and that there has been built so that they can do surgery simultaneously running an MRI, which gives you a very accurate surgical procedure. One of the proudest moments, or I would say one of the biggest breakthroughs we had, was when we were machining silicon nitride. It was the very first ceramic clip that we'd machined, and after many hours of machining, we'd been working on it for a month, 4 o'clock in the morning sometimes, and it was really starting to weigh on me. We finally delivered a set of clips to Concept Solutions in Vancouver. They proceeded to put it on a CMM and measure it, and I got the call about 2 hours after I delivered it saying that it was within 5 microns. So we'd hit our target, and we'd delivered one of the world's first ceramic clips in silicon nitride.